Hey gang, Kevin here, coming at you with another Campmaster tip if you're attending classes at the Pathfinder School. All of the classes, maybe with the exception of some of the blacksmith classes, are going to entail some degree of walking. There are time limits and things imposed in the survival series and things like that, so not only are you going to have to walk for distances, but you're going to have to walk them in a certain time. The classes that don't have a certification attached to them, like the bushcraft class and things like that, the plants class, several of the elective classes. Now they don't have time limits imposed, but they still all have some form of walking. You need to be able to walk over distance. You need to be able to walk over varied terrain. Basically, you've got to be in good enough physical shape to do that and carry your gear. With the survival series, you're going to carry gear and you're going to carry materials that you need to complete the various tasks you have to do. Same thing with the bushcraft class, and to a lesser degree, things like the plant series and so on and so forth. So the short story is, if you're coming to a class at the Pathfinder School, be ready to walk and carry your gear. And not just on flat surfaces on the sidewalk. You're going to be able to walk through up and down hills, through varied types of soil conditions, wet, dry, loose, hard, packed, so on and so forth. You're going to walk in the woods, you're going to walk in fields, you're going to walk all kinds of places. And it's not going to be trail walking where there are well-established trails a lot of times. A lot of it is breaking brush. So, if you're coming to the class, be ready to walk. Be ready to carry your gear and come and learn some stuff. Talk to y'all later. Kevin out.